Hi, I'm going to make a video of me solving a Rubik's Cube in under 5 minutes. I got it pretty mixed up, so mix it up some more just so you can see me do it. All mixed up. Try not to get the colors together at all. It's pretty good mixed up. Alright, here we go. Let's go. I'm going to do another under 5 minutes.
I just like to knock on my own front door for a bit.
Beg your pardon, Mr. Morgan.
Where's Mrs. Boyd?
I'm not sure. Perhaps Mother went out. She did? She received a note from a sick friend. She must have gone out to see her.
Okay, first square is done. Now for the second square.
Just enough. Are you alright? Why are you sweating so?
It's hot. I'm glad you're home. Father. Are you going to see him?
Yes.
Okay, second square is done. Now for the final square, first I get my cross on bottom square. Got my cross. Get the bottom square finished. Okay, now that's done, but this is not correct. So, first I'll get my corner pieces right. Right back, face, right back, face, face, right back, right, right back. Okay, now I got that right, but my other corner pieces are right, so I'll do it again. Right back, face, right back, 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 right, face, back, right, back, 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 right, right. Alright, now my corner pieces are right, but these are not right. So, I'll do that. Face, face, under 5 minutes.